Hello friends, my name is Richa and I welcome you once again in the series of my IELTS vocabulary videos with Unlock IELTS with Richa. Before starting, I'd like to remind you not to forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for the latest IELTS content and turn that red bell icon into the grey one. The topic for today is technology. In this video, we'll get introduced to the new words in relation to the technology, we'll understand the meaning of those words, we'll see the examples, and then we'll further look into the collocations in relation to that word. Collocation is basically the group of 2 or 3 words which always go together. The correct understanding of same is very important and it will help you to boost your score in both IELTS writing and speaking section. As I've already discussed, the topic for today is technology and the new words are innovation, implement, transformation, breakthrough, automation and integration. We'll understand the meaning, examples and the collocations. Now comes our first word, innovation. Innovation is basically an action or process of innovating. It is all about making change in something established, especially by introducing new methods, ideas or products. Let's understand this word better by having a look on the examples. The pace of innovation and accomplishment is already fast but will grow even faster. Without innovation, humanity would never gain access to new technologies to help us advance and prosper. It was the innovation of both Nikola Tesla and Thomas Edison that gave us electricity as we know it today. Now is the time to look on the collocations with relation to the innovation word. And these are continuous innovation, technical innovation, encourage innovation, scientific innovation, groundbreaking innovation, and latest innovation. Now let's have a look on the second word, which is implement. Implement in one sense means putting any decision, plan, agreement, idea, thoughts, etc. into effect. Now let's better understand this word by taking the examples. We plan to implement a policy allowing students to choose a better alternative options. The company plans to implement the recommendations through its code of practice in the new year. Unfortunately, this plan is harder to implement than we thought it would be. And now is the time to see the collocations of implement. Agree to implement, difficult to implement, widely implemented, partially implemented, successfully implemented, effectively implemented. Now comes a third word, transformation. Transformation is all about a thorough or dramatic change in form or appearance of anything. Let's have a look on the examples. The city is a product of the industrial transformation. The building underwent various transformations over the years. A little creativity can transform an ordinary meal into a special event. In the examples, I have used the different forms of the word transform. Now comes the collocation in relation to the transformation. And these are fundamental transformation, radical transformation, cultural transformation, instant transformation, transformation from, physical transformation. Now comes our next word, which is breakthrough. Breakthrough is all about a certain, dramatic and important discovery or development. Let's have a look on the examples. Researchers say they have made a major breakthrough in cancer treatment. The police have announced a breakthrough in the case investigation. This job could be the breakthrough she's been waiting for. And now comes our collocations in relation to the breakthrough. Significant breakthrough, technological breakthrough, crucial breakthrough, major breakthrough, real breakthrough, scientific breakthrough. Our next word is automation. Automation is the technique of making an apparatus, a process or a system operate automatically. Let's have a look on the examples. As an automation engineer, the man's job is to find ways to make a system work without human control. Many believe that technological automation will continue to take jobs from humans and place them in the hands of robots. Administrative staff may be de-skilled through increased automation and efficiency. Now comes the collocations in relation to the breakthrough, and these are increase of automation, automation in, automation to, automation methods, automation solutions, automation services. The next word is integration. Integration is all about the actions of making something whole by combining things together. Let's have a look on the examples. The integration can be effected without much difficulty. Until the integration of the networks is complete, developers will have to post their code in two different areas. The integration of several schools had decreased the number of academic options in our community. And now, the co-locations. These are complete integration, partial integration, integration between, integration with, integration within, integration in. Before ending this video, let's have a brainstorm exercise. Watch this video once again and refer to all those words which we discussed in the video. Start writing sentences in relation to the words which we discussed along with the collocations. Mention all your sentences in the comment section below and I look forward to give you the feedback on same. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. Until then, all the best.